Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now by cleansing and keeping skin slightly damp. That moisture helps trap hydration. After washing, pat, don't rub, so your skin retains water. Dispense about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of moisturizer onto fingertips. Dot product across forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Use outward strokes to spread thinly and evenly. This reduces tugging and increases coverage. Once evenly applied, wait 30–60 seconds for initial absorption before moving to sunscreen. This sets a hydrated base for sun protection. Continue by ensuring even distribution. Glide moisturizer with gentle upward strokes and finish with light tapping where skin is thin, like under the eyes. Make sure to pull product down the neck and across jawline to avoid a visible line. If you have active acne or oily zones, use smaller amounts there and press in rather than rub. Allow 30–60 seconds so the moisturizer sets but remains tacky enough for sunscreen to adhere. This balance helps both products perform optimally. Finish with sunscreen. This must be the last step. Use about 1/3 to 1/2 teaspoon for the face or follow the 2 milligrams per square centimeter guideline. Dot across face and spread to hairline, ears, and neck. Blend until no streaks remain, then wait at least 15 minutes before sun exposure so the filter films properly. If you see pilling, reduce the amount of moisturizer, let it absorb longer, or switch to a lighter formulation. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours in sun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.